Good morning. This is Kumar from Government Higher Secondary School, Nandivaram, PG Assistant Botany. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Star Media Force. Those who are expecting NEET to crack the seat, welcome to these classes. Today, student must be aware so many exams. The government school student, you must know about the NEET exam. Don't fear about the NEET exam. This is very easy exam and get through the seat. And you have to train, you have to read, you have to practice, you have to concentrate in the biology. You have definitely get the seat from the NEET exam. First of all, what is NEET? Already you know about the NEET exam. NEET is a national test. The academy NTA is going to be conduct this exam. This exam consists physics, chemistry, biology, 3 part, and also these 3 part, each question have 4 mark, and if you mark the wrong answer, you get 1 mark in minus. So these are the instruction. Already you know the test. Now in this biology, very important chapter is there. Lot of chapter is there, and a student must be know about the syllabus. You have to download the syllabus from the NTA website and go through the syllabus. What are the syllabus and what are the concept, you already aware. What are the unknown concept is there, you have to read thoroughly. Nowadays the time is very short period is there. You have to practice the question wise practice. Nowadays is possible to get through the examination. So in this class we have to discuss about physiology, plant physiology. The plant physiology, lot of topic is there. In this class we discuss about the photosynthesis, very important chapter, and vital process of the photosynthesis. Site of the photosynthesis. Site means which place the photosynthesis is take place, that is site of the photosynthesis. Here the site of the photosynthesis is chloroplast. You have to know the chloroplast. Here the structure is there. It is a discoid shape or lens shape, bounded by 2 wall is there. Inside the wall they have the colloidal substance. The matrix is there, that is the colloidal substance consists of protein substance, and the protein substance is called matrix. In this matrix, otherwise called stroma, is the stroma is there. It is inside the chloroplast. Stroma is there. It is a proteinous nature, and inside the stroma they have that membrane like structure is there. That is a membrane, it is called a thylakoid or lamella is there. So the thylakoid is going to be a stack of coin like structure. It's going to be folded, and one another the thylakoid is going to be construct. That construction structure is called granum. Grana is a singular, granum is a plural. Granum is there inside the stroma. So many granum is there. Between the one granum and another granum, one thylakoid thin membrane is going to be connect another granum, that is called Fred membrane or Fred lamella is there. So 2 type of lamellar tissue is there, that is grana thylakoid and Fred thylakoid is there. So outer membrane, inner membrane, inside the stroma they have a lot of things is there. Main things granum and Fred membrane or lamella or thylakoid. Apart from this, the starch granules also is there inside the chloroplast. and also chloroplast contain DNA. It is a circular DNA is there inside the chloroplast. That's why it is semi autonomy in nature. Semi autonomy means it's going to be construct or it's going to be produce a new things partially. It is called semi autonomous in nature. So chloroplast contain DNA and lipid molecule also is there, and so many things consist here, and some other pigments also is there. We have to discuss another class in this detailedly, and location already you know that chloroplast, and the chloroplast going to be do the process, it's called photosynthesis. The photosynthesis is two stage is there. One stage is called light reaction. Light reaction means they need light for the process. Another thing is they need not light for the photosynthesis. So that stage is called a dark reaction. In light reaction, energy yielding process. This is energy yielding process. First of all, the photosynthesis, one half of the process is going to be produce the ATP and NADPH molecules. That is a energy currency, cellular currency, ATP and NADPH. So NADPH and ATP is going to be produced. That's why it is called a energy yielding process. Another, with the help of ATP and NADPH2, the dark reaction is there. The dark reaction already told they need not light. So in this process, carbon dioxide is going to be converted into carbohydrate, or this is a reduction process with the help of ATP and NADPH2 molecules. So photosynthesis is two stage. One is light reaction, another one is dark reaction, and these are the point we are already discussed. The chloroplast consists of double wall, discoid shape, and 4 to 10 millimicron diameter the chloroplast, and also 1 to 33 millimicron thickness is there in the chloroplast. And the unit membrane, this is one membrane, another membrane is there. Between the two membrane, they have the space that is called the unit membrane space. Between that space 100 to 200 Armstrong in space. And apart from this, inside the matrix, inside the chloroplast, colloidal substance is there, that is a proteinous nature. It is called stroma, and also they have a spread lamellar like structure, that is sac like membrane system is inside the chloroplast, that is called thylakoid. The thylakoid otherwise called lamella, and the lamellar, it's going to be construct one another above, that is stalk of coil, that is called granum. Granum already told it is a plural form. Singularly it is a grana. So is there in a chloroplast, very important parts. Each chloroplast contain 40 to 80 granum. This is very important, need student. How many granum is there inside the chloroplast? This is the question we will ask. So that is exactly keep it in our mind. 40 to 80 granum is contained one chloroplast. So each granum they have the bag like structure or tissue, the lamella. How many lamella is there? Means this is 5 to 30 thylakoid lamellar is present inside it, and one thylakoid size is 0.25 to 0.8 micron in diameter. So very thin membrane is there, and also one granum to another granum is going to be connect. So a thin lamellar membrane, that is called very important word, Fred membrane or thylakoid membrane. So and another thing is inside it, inside the thylakoid, they have the two pigment system, one is PS1, another one is PS2. The PS1 means P means pigment system 1, another PS2 means this is one of the system. So this is classified according to the pigment present in it. The chlorophyll pigment is more, other accessory pigment less, that is called PS1. PS2, the accessory pigment are lot, and chlorophyll A is less, that is called PS2. So two pigment system is there. In other words, photosystem 1, photosystem 2, according to the action, according to the absorption of wavelength or visible spectrum, the pigment system is going to be absorb the light. According to this, the photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 is there. So the wavelength, which one is going to be observed according to the wavelength, they are classified in two category. So this is also is present inside the chloroplast, the outer membrane of the thylakoid. The thylakoid is a discoid shape, inner membrane is there, outer membrane is there. Outer membrane, they have the PS1, and the PS1 always face the matrix or stroma, and PS2 is present or located inside the membrane of the thylakoid. It is placed inside the lamellar lumen, it's going to be placed the PS2. Another, the granum lamella, granum means it is a stack of coin like structure. Inside the granum lamella, they have the PS1 and as well as PS2. And stroma lamella, they have only PS1. This is very important data about the chloroplast. Student must be keep it in your mind. In this area, we discuss the question, keep it in your data. They ask the question, in the question answer is present in this data. Okay student, this continuation is next class we will discuss. Before that, you have to put the bell button and like the button, and comment the box. You have to keep the comments and give the feedback to us a comment, and you have to tell others through share button. You keep on watching this channel. This is very useful to you for preparing the NEET exam. We will meet next biology class. Thank you.